your roadmap to the latest in auto. Welcome to Highway Herald. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in the automotive world, the concerning build quality of Tesla vehicles. Despite Tesla's image as a leader in the electric vehicle revolution, many owners have uncovered troubling truths about their rides, disappointing components, and frustrating customer service. In this video, we'll explore 7 critical reasons why Tesla's build quality is under scrutiny and how the company's response has fallen short. Buckle up for the 7 key points you need to know. Number 7, frequent component failures. When you think of an automotive giant like Tesla, you'd expect core components, like suspensions and drive shafts, to be as robust as the company's image. However, reports reveal that Tesla vehicles face alarming rates of frequent component failures. For instance, a new Tesla owner in England experienced a suspension collapse after just 115 miles of driving. Such incidents aren't anomalies. They highlight systemic issues within Tesla's manufacturing. Owners report misaligned panels, malfunctioning doors, and even wheels detaching while driving, raising serious concerns about quality control. Despite years of experience, Tesla struggles with basic manufacturing aspects that other automakers have mastered. This trend not only compromises safety, but also erodes customer trust, as the company often deflects blame onto drivers rather than addressing its own manufacturing shortcomings. Number 6, widespread problems. Tesla's build quality issues extend beyond isolated incidents. They affect the entire lineup. Reports indicate that tens of thousands of owners have faced similar problems, with systemic concerns persisting for at least 7 years. From faulty steering racks to axle shifts, essential components are failing at alarming rates. Internal documents show Tesla has known about these defects since 2016, but has failed to communicate the full extent to regulators and customers. Unlike traditional automakers, which face intense scrutiny, Tesla often avoids similar backlash, creating a perception that they operate above industry standards. This lack of accountability raises serious questions about Tesla's commitment to safety. While conventional automakers would face relentless media coverage for similar complaints, Tesla continues to market its vehicles as the pinnacle of innovation, neglecting fundamental quality control. Number 5, ongoing issues and costly repairs. For Tesla owners, the nightmare extends beyond initial component failures to exorbitant repair costs that can strain finances. Once warranties expire, many face bills that rival the original vehicle price. One owner shared a staggering $10,000 repair bill for suspension and drive axle issues after warranty expiration, highlighting a troubling trend where owners frequently pay thousands for repairs that should be unnecessary. This is particularly disheartening as these components are critical for safe driving. Frustratingly, after addressing one failure, another vital component often fails soon after, creating a relentless cycle of costly repairs. Additionally, Tesla's unique design requires repairs at its own service centers, limiting options and driving up costs since independent mechanics may lack the necessary training and tools. Many owners feel trapped, compelled to pay premium prices for repairs reflecting the company's manufacturing shortcomings. Before we delve deeper, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to Highway Herald. Your support fuels our passion to create more content like this. Now, let's explore key point number 4, Tesla's handling of complaints. Tesla's handling of customer complaints highlights a significant area of concern. Instead of taking responsibility for issues like suspension failures or malfunctioning components, the company often redirects blame onto the customers. This dismissive attitude is not only frustrating, but also insulting, as customers expect premium quality rather than being told they are at fault. For a company that prides itself on innovation and safety, this refusal to acknowledge defects reveals a troubling lack of commitment to customer care. Furthermore, it was recently revealed that Tesla created a covert team to divert complaints about vehicle range, prioritizing image management over addressing legitimate concerns. This raises serious ethical questions about Tesla's priorities. What does it say about a company that would rather silence complaints than confront the fundamental issues affecting its customers? Number 3, the challenge of transparency. Tesla has built its brand around transparency and innovation, but it falls short when acknowledging persistent build quality issues. Internal documents reveal that the company has been aware of critical problems, like steering rack failures and control arm malfunctions, but has chosen not to disclose this information to regulators or customers. This lack of transparency is troubling for consumers who expect automakers to prioritize safety. When a company has data indicating potential risks, but opts for silence, it breaches trust. Tesla's reluctance to issue widespread recalls or redesign faulty components leaves drivers facing safety issues without adequate support. For a company that positions itself as a disruptor, this contradiction is glaring. To maintain its leadership in the automotive sector, Tesla must align its commitment to innovation with a dedication to transparency and customer safety. Number 2. Navigating reputational risk and public perception. Tesla's image as a pioneering automaker is increasingly at risk due to ongoing build quality concerns. While the brand has cultivated a loyal following, more potential buyers are becoming cautious. As reports of component failures and poor customer service circulate, the risk of reputational damage looms large. For years, Tesla has positioned itself as the benchmark in the electric vehicle market, but this perception is now under scrutiny. Consumers are questioning whether they can trust a company that consistently falls short of its promises. This shift in public opinion could lead many to explore alternatives in an increasingly competitive EV market. Tesla's management of quality issues is crucial to its reputation. If it continues to downplay concerns, it risks alienating both current and potential customers, especially in an age where opinions spread rapidly through social media. Number 1. The essential role of quality control. In the automotive industry, quality control is essential, as safety is paramount. Tesla's inability to address ongoing build quality issues raises serious concerns about its commitment to safety and excellence. By neglecting robust quality control measures, Tesla not only risks endangering its drivers, but also damages its reputation. Other automakers have demonstrated the importance of swiftly and transparently addressing manufacturing defects, fostering consumer trust. To sustain its growth, Tesla must critically evaluate and enhance its quality control processes. With consumers having more options than ever, if Tesla fails to prioritize quality, it may fall behind competitors committed to delivering reliable vehicles. Maintaining high manufacturing standards is vital for ensuring customer satisfaction and achieving long-term success. Final thoughts: the road ahead for Tesla. As we conclude our discussion, it's evident that Tesla faces significant hurdles concerning its build quality and customer service. From frequent component failures to a disheartening lack of transparency, the company must take decisive action to resolve these issues. Failing to address these concerns could jeopardize Tesla's position in the automotive sector and erode trust among consumers. While Tesla has indeed transformed the electric vehicle landscape, it cannot afford to dismiss the importance of quality and accountability. Moving forward, the company must prioritize customer satisfaction and safety above all else. Only then can Tesla hope to retain its status as a frontrunner in the automotive world. In summary, Tesla's handling of its build quality issues paints a picture of a company that is more focused on growth and profit than on delivering a safe and reliable product. If the brand aspires to continue thriving, it must confront these problems directly, ensuring that its vehicles live up to the lofty expectations it has set. For now, Tesla has a long road ahead in restoring confidence among its loyal customer base. What are your thoughts on Tesla's build quality issues? Have you had any experiences with their vehicles? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to Highway Herald to stay updated on the latest in automotive news. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.